This is just one of the sample sessions we have. And if it's web-based, you just click the link and it will give you this window. It's basically, you can play. And this
session, you learned about placing piping components on pipe runs, the Pick Quick tool, and piping component reference data. In this session, you will learn about placing inline and offline instruments, creating instrument loops, adding instruments to a loop, and removing instruments from a loop. In addition, you will learn about instrumentation reference data.
So basically, it will start with the review of the past session and the objective of this current session, and then you'll have this virtual instructor give the lecture. At the same time, the script of the lecture is highlighted on the right side. You can pause, you can read through, and you can go back and listen again. I'm going to turn on the audio.
Switches. There are two types of instruments, inline and offline. Inline instruments are components that you can insert into a piping segment. Inline instruments include instrument valves, such as pressure regulator valves, flow controllers, flow indicators, and other instrument components, such as orifice plates. Inline instruments.
So you can see it's very detailed information, and it's actually better than the classroom setting because you can follow the instructor more closely on your own pace. They will go through with examples. I'm going to continue to move on. And some tips and tricks are also considered, included in this virtual training. Okay. In the end, there will be a quiz question, and you can quickly just read through, and according to the information you just learned from that lecture, you can give your answer, and it will, let's see, this one I think is submit your answer. It will give you the score right away, correct or incorrect. So that's just a little quiz. And at the same time, after you finish this or during this lecture, you can open the tutorial. It's a PDF file for each session. And it has all the information about what you just learned, or you can always review. Okay, with screenshots and notes, tips, tricks, and all that type of thing. The other cool thing about this is the open practice lab. There will be another PDF file for this session with step-by-step instructions for the lab exercise. This lab is closely related to the session you just learned. And then you can move on to the next session at any time. So that just gives you some flavor of this new virtual training or web-based training.